MP kaseng Congress na Tura usaling isangma haga Henry Trek Naitung. Ula penting kena ban shimkya ban yakren bak sorkar pedeng nakabenta ban pentre kam yak inline permit ILP bat ban pendrong yak aktin khasi bat garo haga kernet bapra jong kariti sensyar jong kari India. Ngan buddian ya baro kibenta kiba uba Vincent H. Pala ula dep ban shimti. Kum kanuksa ula dep ban keren hakabaya day baka ILP bat ban pendrong yak aktin khasi bat garo haga kernet bapra hapok yung dorbar ong usaleng. Hadian ba ula sya penkup buram haka jingelang kabala penlong da Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC. Haba penpau halor ka jingdan kam ban ki imbiang ya kaseng Congress ha Meghalaya uni MP Tura ulaong. Ngin ayla satya tang namar bangila rem hangni harilum khasi. Nalor kata ulayat hulu paru baka Congress kan sayo biang ya kabor sensyar haus nam arajar atau pra. Ula ongru kane kade kasin jam ka beningkong bangin penpai dien bat pentik na baha usnyam arjar arpopra ka Congress kan sa sensyar ya ka sorkar bat ngati kena arspa persen. Nga pentik na ya ka kenuhun jongi na ka Meghalaya Congress ngin sa sensyar bat na ka Congress bat unsa don UCM tang ha Meghalaya wat ha ka national level kumju pinyo i baka Congress kan sawan biang da ka jingbun pat ulaong. Nalor kata ula benrap da ka baong balay ngila sya rem ha ka niki election ngiha ban pet biang bat perkhat biang bat ban pet biang ya ki benta ki bangi don jingduna syu haba penpa baka jing shisha kalayarap ya u ban job ya ka election parliamentary hatura usang ma ulaong ka jing job jonga Hagaru Hills kaday namar bangila persyang ban spell ya ka jing shisha bat kata ka jia hapo ka jala bat kari ngim syamla persyang bantok ne ban ay ki jing kular lamler ha ki jingelap jongi Henry ngila super syang ban pen i sya kibriyo kumno ngi sya thok. Kata hakalyang kapuli puthi, kakoit kakya, syapang ka imlang salang, syapang ki dawai dashin, syapang ka jingle thok ya ka kajna ba ka jing syalan tu syabar ka jela. Kumta kini kide ki benta ki bangi persyang ban pen i sya kibriyo, bat ban aya ki ya ka jing shisha.
First of all, for being unfair, it's not because of me. My whole thanks goes to Sir Bala, Madam Deborah, who have really worked tirelessly in the first place itself to defeat TMC. TMC was really trying hard for themselves to get a ticket because there was an India alliance. For that, I would like to thank first Sir Pala and Madam Deborah, who has taken me to meet Madam Sonia Gandhi and all the other leaders from the center. And it was true for them also not to believe in me, being only member of the Legislative Assembly in Congress. When Mukul himself was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, when he has put his all efforts to win the MP election Lok Sabha for his brother, could not win. When he fought for his own son-in-law, he couldn't make it through. When he fought even for his wife, he could not make it through. When he was a chief minister, just imagine, it was true on the side of the AICC to believe that we will not be a winner. That's why my own gratitude and thanks goes to definitely Sir Pala and Madam Deborah and definitely our MLAs who have joined with us to push a ticket for me. Ronnie, Charles, Mangla, Gabriel, and everyone who has fought for me. 2 months back, I was not even I was just an MLA opposition leader. I never felt that I'll be here sitting and then talking to you as an MP. First, when I landed here, I was having a little cringe and a little excitement also. You know, feeling a little, how would you say, a feeling different. Excitement in the meantime, feeling cringe. but all its blessings will be from above. I'm so excited to be part of you and part of the system right now, so that I can at least open-mindedly speak about the truth, about the issues and agenda, whatever I felt to speak for us in the Lok Sabha elections. I will definitely follow up whatever Sarpala has already taken up. For example, he has already talked about the ILP on the floor of the parliamentary session itself. He has already talked about the 8th schedule on the floor of the House itself. So definitely I will be taking up, sir, and definitely continue to thank them. Those matters are really clear for us because we really need 8th schedule to be placed before us. Kasi Karu Jaintia, definitely we require that one, and then that ILP definitely we will definitely I will pursue the matter even after your answers. I believe in you, whatever in your leadership capacity that you have led us. I believe in your innocency and simpleness. Maybe too much of simpleness has pulled you down, sir. Not because you have created polarizations or vacuum. You know, in the laxity of the politics, we have seen lots of different things, ups and downs. When we talk about the idealistic movement, because of that few of our good leaders has lost. But realism and compromise should be passionately adopted. Then only we might be able to fight that idealistic movement. Sometimes when somebody acts in a different way, we tend to get scared because we are in a volatile situation. But the fact is that our Congress has been pushed so much that we are at the back at the wall right now. Now we have to start pushing back. As whatever our youth president has spoken, we are not going to give up just because we have lost here in Kashmir. This is our first step. We will push back, and definitely in 2028, our Congress is going to be ruling the team and ruling the government. And I'm sure that 200%, I'm assuring our team, not as a Congress, but a team from the Meghalaya, that definitely from our Congress will be ruling, and from our Congress there will be a seat. And definitely you can see. Not only in Meghalaya, but I believe even in the national also you will see in 2029 Congress will definitely come back with a larger number. Now since most of the speaker has spoken lots, I don't want to make you my speeches by making you weird or making you tired or making you lazy. But I believe that whatever we will do, we will not do only for ourselves or only for our team, but for the state as a whole. There were a few lapses. That's why we have to recreate, look at the vital prospect of our Congress. What was the reason why we have lost? We have to relook, rethink, and then revisit what were the areas where we have met. There's a lot of things I want to share with you. But if I continue to do that, maybe I might not be able to add it. So I was wondering which part to speak first. But since we are a family, we are from the Congress, we have to look back and rethink and revisit. What were the consequences? What went wrong? How the vacuum was created? And what was the issue? Those things we have to reason it out. Now, lots of people have wondered why Syllad has come. though chief minister, though the ministers could not defeat. It was the truth. It was the truth that we tried to put before the people. That's why realism matters. The truth matters. There's a good politics and a bad politics. When people were asking me, he has great politics, that guy has great politics. I was asking what kind of politics you were asking, what kind of politics you were talking. Is it a bad politics or good politics? You mean he's lying? He could have simply said he was lying or a liar. He was trying to cheating. That's why truth matters. My big win in governance is because we try to spell the truth that is happening within our state, within our country. We never try to lie or make promises during our campaign. We just try to show the people what is happening and what is going on right now in our country, in our state. How we are being scammed, how we are being lied, how we are being cheated, about the education system, about the health system, about the society, about the drugs, about the cheating the revenue, how they are being smuggled out of our state. So these are the areas that we are all trying to show the people, give them the truth. Nothing else more than that. So that's why even in the future, whenever we will have any kind of convention or any kind of meeting or any kind of issues pertaining to society, we try to spell the truth. We should not play politics as stated by the people. We should never play politics. I was telling everyone, I don't do politics, I hate politics. Being a politician, they were asking me, why do you like politics? Because I don't know politics. The kind you are mentioning about politics is talking different, and my diction is talking different. They were saying it's like an opium den, but it's not so. What is right, and if you give that things to the people, people will be happy. What is theirs, if you give it to the people, they'll always be grateful to you. So this is how we should step in, and then we should try to oblige for the people. Anyway, I would like to thank the organizers, especially the youths who has excited this program by giving us a beautiful song and giving us a beautiful lines. And I would like to thank the organizers, the comparers, who has passionately, beautifully made the comparer beautiful, and all the spokespersons and all the speakers and all my esteemed leaders. I respect you because you are my leaders and you have shown me the way. Thank you, all my uncles and aunties and my brothers and sisters and all my young friends, my students and my colleagues, especially my chief opposition leader, my MLA colleague Charles Gabriel, and then Sir Pala, and then NPCC committee and all. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you.